Good morning, all of you. My name is Suman Kumar Nag, and I am from Group 4, 6M ETC. And our topic is Direct Broadcast Receiver System. And these are my contents. Introduction. Direct Broadcast Receiver System refer to satellite television system in which the subscribers or end users receive signals directly from geostationary satellites. DBS is the descendant of direct to home satellite services. A number of companies provide DBS and DTS service through the world. And these are the top 6 best DTS service provider in India. First is Tata Sky, Dish TV, Airtel Digital TV, Videocon D2H, Sun Direct, Jing Digital. And these are the component required. And it our block diagram. Working principle. Firstly, the user generates a message signal which is passed and processed through the terrestrial communication network to the earth station. The earth station modulates the signals and sends that signals to the satellite in space on the uplink frequency spectrum. The satellite amplifies and process the signal and retransmit it back on the download frequency spectrum. At the receiving earth station, the transmitted signal is received, demodulated and amplified to get back the original signal. The signal is then sent to the user through the terrestrial communication network. Then the signal from terrestrial communication network is received by television decoder, also known as set-top box. This set-top box decodes the received signal and display the output to the television set. Advantages: large coverage, high quality, high reliability, speed installation, high capacity, emergency communication. Disadvantages. Main disadvantages of direct broadcast receiver system is: if a channel is broadcast from more than one distant satellite, then separate antenna will be needed. Application: military communication, telecommunication, weather forecasting, radio broadcasting and voice communication, remote sensing application. Future enhancement. Broadcast TV and broadcasting is not going away soon and probably never will. By my estimates, it will likely rise from 10% of householding 10 years ago to 20% plus 10 years from now, particularly as it gets modernized by smartphones apps that allow easy access to antenna TV through smartphones, tablets and laptops. Conclusion. Satellite communication play a vital role in the global telecommunication system. Satellite communication technologies have achieved remarkable breakthrough efficiencies and increase in performance in nearly half of country. Today satellites are digital processors in sky and specialized software defines how they perform. Satellite communication system provide a wide range of services such as broadcasting, high transfer rate and narrowband transmission to fixed, portable of mobile terminals with global or recognized cover. And these are the reference. Thank you.